in your direct examination?
There are many buyers, Your Honor.
Sir, which of the buyers, sir? There's Mrs. Cristina Corona, there's Chief Justice Corona, there's Maria Carla Corona, there's Maria Charina Corona. Which of, I testified on all of them.
Yeah, thank you. I'll just go over. Hindi, akin na yung document.
Yeah.
Ito, yung in-examine yung deed of sale.
Deed of sale.
Yung deed of sale, yung tin-examine niya, yung sa testing. Yung page 20. 24. Yung
Nandito po ngayon at nagsisimula na ang cross-examination ng defense kung saan...
I withdraw that question, Your Honor. We are locating the particular statement, Your Honor. Now, based on the SAL, SLN of Chief Justice Corona, does it admit of the correction allowed by law pursuant to what is provided for in the SAL law, SLN law?
Sir, I am not the person to ask for SAL-N. I'm
see. So
National Internal Revenue Code, sir.
So that is not within your competence. That's how I understood you. Am I correct?
Misleading, Your Honor. The witness already stated last hearing that when she files tax evasion cases, she deals with SAL-Ns of all government officials.
That's not my question. I am on cross-examination. And cross-examination, leading question.
Let the witness
Misleading.
answer. There's no assumption of fact not proven, my goodness.
My understanding as a government official is that when I submit the SAL-N, it has to be complete and true, and that I don't have any chance to amend it, especially if a case is filed against me. That is my understanding of how
Wait,
I prepare my SAL-N.
Do you have a copy of your SLN today?
No, sir, you did not
Will you-
ask for me to bring
Will
it,
you be
sir.
able to produce it if
Yes,
required
sir.
by the court?
Yes, sir.
Together with your income tax return?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you for that. Now, my understanding is that the SLN may be corrected if there are entries in there made not accurate and so on. This
Already answered, Your Honor.
wait,
the witness.
I'm not.
Hold on.
Hindi pa ako tapos.
Let the witness answer. She's a very intelligent witness. She's under cross-examination.
In this particular case, which you said you have examined, SAL of Chief Justice Corona, did you come to the conclusion that this is one which can be corrected pursuant to law? Or it may not be corrected at all?
My personal opinion is it cannot be corrected at all.
Why?
Because first, in the first place, it is sworn to under oath. And then second place, like I said, I am a government official and I've sworn through, and I would think the SAL-N requires me to completely list all my assets because it's a way for the public to determine whether at the end of the day I have enriched myself because of my position. So if it can be amended at any time, then it's a useless exercise to even require government official to submit a SAL-N at all.
So you came into the conclusion that this may not admit of correction, and that is your opinion only.
Yes, sir.
We will move to strike out the answer of the witness, Your Honor.
Why do you
Because
move
we are-
to strike out after asking the witness?
When I'm asking him for a
No, no.
definite and categorical,
You asked the witness answered.
Your witness answered already. Why should you ask for the striking out of her answer?
because
It's under cross-examination.
yes, Your Honor, because apparently what is being stated by the witness has no basis. That is his personal opinion, according to her. It is along those lines that I'm asking the striking out of the answer. Only that particular portion, Your Honor.
What basis do you want to establish before that a question could be answered to your witness,
Well,
counsel?
the fact that there was
No, I'm asking the prosecutor.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Prosecuting attorney. Because he said, you have to lay the basis for your question.
Your Honor, I am objecting to the motion
What? Because
Your-
you said there's no basis for the question.
No, Your Honor, I did not state that, Your Honor, with due respect. I objected to the motion of the defense lawyer to strike out the answer already given, which was in
All right.
direct response to his question.
All right, let's stop. Proceed, counsel for the defense.
All right. Now, after your examination, both of the SLN together with the ITR, was there any proceedings conducted by your office in connection with the alleged irregularities in both documents of the Chief Justice?
We are conducting an investigation on the differences.
You mean, when you say we, not you personally, but your office?
The Bureau of Internal Revenue.
And the Chief Justice was already summoned in order to appear in that investigation? Or you are just still
Sir,
evaluating
I
them?
think you should ask the Chief Justice about it. He would be the,
You can-
because whatever investigation we're conducting, it's confidential, and it should be only the party whom we're investigation.
If Your Honor, please, the witness here should not be allowed to argue with counsel. I'm asking him here for a fact.
Just answer the
The
question.
witness is answering, Your
If you know
Honor.
the answer, please answer it. If not, just say so.
Sir, it is a confidential information under Section 71 and
The
after
question is, are you investigating?
Sir, I already said I
yes.
am investigating.
All right. What was the next question?
So, without the witness, without the Chief Justice being informed, is that what you wanted to tell the Honorable Court?
No, that's not what I was trying to say.
Oh, will you kindly tell the Honorable Court what you meant by conducting the investigation without the knowledge of the particular person involved? More specifically, Chief Justice Corona.
Misleading, Your Honor, without the knowledge. The witness said, please ask the Chief Justice, because this is confidential according to the witness.
Let the witness answer.
Sir, may I ask for a waiver from the Council of the Chief Justice that I can answer? Because it's confidential information, sir.
So he was...
No, the tendency of the question, Madam Witness, is, are you conducting an investigation of the Chief Justice? And you
Yes,
said
sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
And are you obligated to inform the Chief Justice that you're conducting an investigation bearing on his income tax position? And you said it's confidential, meaning you did not, isn't it? You did not inform him.
We have informed him, and I think he is in receipt of a notice that we are investigating him.
Did you send a notice to him that he is under investigation?
Yes, sir.
That's all that you just explained. The procedure in investigation of income tax returns.
Yes, sir. We issued a letter of authority to him.
A letter of authority to your agents to investigate him.
Yes, sir.
No, not to him, you know.
No, the letter...
Did you supply him with the letter of authority that is under investigation?
Yes, sir. We issued...
Precisely. Please answer the question so that hindi tayo nagtatagal dito eh.
Yes, sir. We issued a letter of authority addressed to
Your
Chief
agents,
Justice.
your agents.
No. I wrote, there's a letter of authority notice that we sent to the Chief Justice telling him that certain revenue officer is auditing his income tax return.
So you notified him that there is an ongoing internal revenue investigation bearing on his income tax.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We issued that after the hearing.
What hearing?
Sir, when I was called here for the impeachment hearing, sir.
After the hearing here.
Yes, sir.
What hearing was that? When you appeared here?
Yes, sir. January 26 or 25.
So it is only now that you are conducting an income tax investigation of the Chief Justice,
Yes, sir.
not before.
Sir, before we even determine whether we will really
All
go.
right. Just for the information of the court, what year is involved in your investigation?
Starting from taxable year 2002? From 1992 up to 2010.
Are you conducting a net worth investigation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Proceed.
I'm showing to you, Madam Commissioner, 3 letters of which purport to be letter of authority, which we request, Your Honor, respectively as Exhibit 56, 57, 58, and 59, Your Honor, for the defense. Kindly go over the same whether and tell the Honorable Court whether that is the letter. I'm sorry, palagi ako. Pasensya ka na.
Oo. Ay. 1997. 1997 ba?
Your Honor, please, we notice the witness is not supposed to discuss this.
Counsel for the prosecution, please do not.
No, the
Do
other
not go to your
gentleman with an
witness
eyeglass, Your Honor.
during cross-examination.
Sir, he is my chief of staff, so he brings the original document.
Yeah, but
Therefore, I should consult him whether... Sir, I believe, I don't have the original, but I believe that this is the letter of authority that we issued, no? For Maria Carla Castillo Corona from taxable year January 1, 2007 to December 31, 2010. For Renato Corona from January 1, 1997 to December 31, 2010. For Cristina Rocco Corona from January 1, 2001 to December 31, 2010. And from Constantino Castillo III from January 1, 1998 to December 31, 2010.
And you are proceed. May we now continue, Your Honor?
Proceed.
And you are proceeding with that investigation, notwithstanding dependency of these impeachment proceedings involving the SAL and the income tax return of the Honorable Chief Justice Corona.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You did not find anything objectionable in that, which may smacks of persecution to the eyes of the public.
No, sir. I think
Nothing wrong with it.
No, sir. If the public expect us to do it, so there's nothing wrong
Which
with
public are you speaking of?
The public expect us to implement the National Internal Revenue Code. And from the moment there's something wrong,
No, yeah, but
then we
you-
should investigate it, sir.
No, but you had been speaking of the public. May we be informed whom do you refer to by the word public?
The public we serve as revenue collector of the Philippines.
The public. I
We
didn't get
serve as revenue collector of the Philippines, sir. Whoever that public might be,
No,
it
but
may
what-
include you.
Thank you, Madam Witness. But what I'm questioning is the propriety of that investigation being conducted now while this impeachment proceedings is going on, covering the same subject matter. You did not find that? Sorry, I'm sorry.
Sir, the alternative is to be told that we are sleeping on our job.
And you
So I think the better alternative for the Bureau of Internal Revenue is to do its job.
All right. So much so that if there is a complaint involving any of the prosecutor here and the rest of the other members thereof, you will investigate the case.
Of course, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much then. That's all with the witness, Your Honor.
Redirect.
That's all.
Yeah.
Redirect.
With your kind permission, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Proceed.
During your cross-examination on January 26, 2012, as recorded on page 46 of the journal, the following exchange took place. Quote, question, Mr. Cuevas, now examining the SALN of Chief Justice Corona, which you saw while you were here already to testify. Based thereon, kindly tell the Honorable Court whether you noticed any discrepancy or